We're making tiramisu today. This is the way I was shown by a bunch of older Italian guys when I was like 17 years old. The recipe is proven winner. I'll show you how we make it. We have our ladyfingers, a mix of percolated coffee and espresso, egg yolks, mascarpone cheese, icing sugar, heavy cream, sambuca, Kahlua, cocoa powder. First thing I'll show you, a little Kahlua in my coffees, and I'm gonna set some aside for my cream mixture. Same thing with the sambuca. I'll let the internet debate as to how many different ways there are to make tiramisu. It's done authentically without cream, but it's also done in a lot of recipes with cream. So egg yolks are going in. Next up, icing sugar. We're gonna whip this up. So basically, that's what it looks like. Probably doubled in size. It's a pale yellow. Now I'm ready to add my mascarpone. 6 of these to go in. One of these days we'll do some home versions that are a little more manageable. We're gonna incorporate it in, and this is ready. I'm gonna take it down. We just gotta get it out of the bowl so we can start our second mixture. There's no pretty way to do it. I gotta lift this kind of awkwardly. And awkward, like I said.
You could skip the gym today.
We're gonna go anyways. Cream Daddy's been looking a little plumpy, so put the bowl back. Didn't need to wash it, like I said. This is all gonna get mixed together. I got 2 more after this. So we got the cream in, ice and sugar again, sambuca Kahlua. One of our little secrets over here. It's a little bit of ground espresso that's gonna go directly in the cream and just gives that extra little layer of coffee into the cream. And now we mix it. Full steam ahead. Pretty thick cream here. We got our first mixture. Don't need to be delicate with this. Now we're just gonna crank it up and incorporate it all together. So here we go. Already, everything comes with me. We are ready to start layering tiramisus.
Can't get that glove on.
When you got big hands, these are the biggest gloves I can find on the market. Washing your hands is always better, but this, however, this coffee will stain my fingers. And here we go, 2 by 2.
All of these by hand?
All these by hand, all these back there. The coffee is room temperature. I don't like it hot because then it pulls too much coffee into the cookie and your cake gets kind of wet. If your coffee's too cold and you don't soak it long enough, then you're not absorbing enough coffee. So layer number 1 is on. I go in to my cream, spread the mascarpone mixture. Nice dark cocoa powder that I put in the middle. We put our second layer of cookies. I'm gonna go in again, second layer, spread that out nicely. It's not rocket science. It's just, you know, you gotta do the work. People that say, Steve, why do you show everybody what you're doing? You know, because if you wanna do everything I do, you gotta come to work very early in the morning. Grab the next pan, rinse and repeat. Let this set overnight at least 1 day, okay? You don't want a crispy tiramisu. Now we're just gonna add chocolate to the top of the tiramisu. Good to go. And this is our tiramisu at Vivaldi, the Vivaldi way, my way.